Ordering takeaway.
So, what are you craving tonight?
Something spicy. Maybe Chinese?
Nice choice. Let's check the app.
Which one's faster? Uber Eats or DoorDash?
Depends. Some restaurants close early.
Wait, how do I know if it's open?
Look for the green available sign.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, I'll try.
Go on, pick your dish.
Kung Pao chicken, extra chili.
Are you sure it's super hot?
I can handle it. Probably.
Famous last words. Add one bubble tea.
Done. Oh, delivery address.
It's pre-saved, right?
Oh no, it says office address.
Seriously? That's across town.
Why didn't it ask again?
Technology trusts you too much.
So what now?
Cancel fast before it's confirmed.
Ugh, I clicked too late.
Guess your lunch tomorrow's sorted.
Perfect. Cold Kung Pao chicken.
I'll share my food then.
You're the real hero here.
I know, I'm starving too.
Reserving a table.
Hi, have you booked a table?
No, not yet. Can I?
Of course. For how many people?
Just 2, please.
Great. What time would you like?
Maybe at 7 or half 7.
7:30 is fine.
Perfect. Do you need my name?
Yes, please, for the reservation.
It's Jack. Jack.
Thanks, Jack. Any special request?
A window table, maybe?
Got it. Window table for 2.
Nice. I really like that view.
We'll try our best.
And how do I pay? Now?
No, after your meal.
Oh, right, of course.
Friendly. Would you like to see the menu online?
Yes, please. I'll check before we come.
Kind. I'll send a confirmation message soon.
Grateful. Thank you so much, Olivia.
You're welcome, Jack. See you tonight.
Excited. Can't wait. I hope they have pasta.
Ordering dishes.
Hey, Lucy, are you ready to order?
I'm not sure yet.
Take your time. The menu's long.
What do you think is good here?
The pasta's nice, or maybe the burger?
Pasta sounds good. What kind?
There's tomato, cream, or spicy sauce.
Spicy. No spicy, please.
Got it. Tomato pasta for you then.
Yes, and maybe a salad too.
Side salad or big one?
Side salad, I think. Small one.
Sure, that's a good choice.
What will you order, Ben?
Maybe a sandwich today.
Sandwich? That's so simple.
Yeah, but I like simple food.
Okay. Maybe I want the sandwich too.
You just copied me.
Maybe, but it sounds safe.
No problem. Want to share fries?
Sure. Fries sound great.
So, 2 sandwiches, 1 side salad?
And a cola, please.
Got it. I'll tell the waiter.
Thanks. Ordering is always scary in English.
Don't worry, you did very well.
Next time, you do the talking.
No way, it's your turn now.
Ordering drinks.
Hi there. Ready to order your drink?
I think so, but not sure yet.
No rush. What do you usually like?
I like coffee, but not strong.
Then maybe a latte. It's milky and light.
Latte? Is that with sugar?
No sugar, but you can add some.
Okay. Small or big size?
We say medium or large here.
Right. Medium, please.
Great. Anything else? Maybe a pastry?
Pastry. What is that?
It's a small, sweet bread, like a croissant.
Oh, sounds nice, but maybe later.
No problem. Drink only for now.
Yes, just the latte.
To have here or take away?
What's take away?
It means you take the drink with you.
Oh, I'll drink it here.
Perfect. I'll bring it to your table.
Thanks, Emma. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your latte.
I will. It already smells amazing.
Good choice, Ryan. It's our best one.
So maybe next time, 2 lattes.
Serving the dishes.
Evening, are you ready for your food?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Here's your grilled chicken.
Oh, it looks nice. What's this sauce?
That's garlic butter. Careful, it's hot.
Hot. Okay, I'll wait a little.
Good idea. And here's your salad.
So fresh. Is that lemon on top?
Yes, fresh lemon. Do you like it?
I do, but not too much.
I'll bring extra dressing if you want.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Would you like anything to drink now?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still? What does that mean?
It means no bubbles, just plain water.
Oh, still then. No bubbles for me.
Got it. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you, Daniel. Everything looks perfect.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. It smells delicious.
Careful, you'll eat too fast.
Maybe I'm too hungry tonight.
That's the best kind of customer.
Thanks again. You're very friendly.
My pleasure. I'll check on you later.